Okay, any doubt from yesterday's session, yesterday exercise? So I check Nitesh and Mallikarjun has shared the screenshot in J24.1. Other guys have started the exercise. Akash, did you start the exercise? You are on mute. Rahul?
No, sir, no, I have not started. Actually, I am unable to join yesterday.
Yes, you missed
I
the
will
session. Yep.
see recorded later. After that, I will start.
Okay, no issue. So till Sunday we have to finish the surfacing exercises. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sure.
I will share the next exercise as Nitesh and Mallikarjun has finished today only.
Yes, sir.
So okay, let's proceed to another command. I'm sharing my screen just a minute. So is my screen visible now? I'm sharing. Yeah.
Yes, sir,
Yes, sir,
visible.
visible.
Okay. So file new P part. Okay. Geometrical set. Okay. Hide the plane. Point. Axis system on the same point. Okay. How to switch into GSD shortcut?
Control 2.
Control 2. Mallikarjun got it? How to use
Yes, sir.
shortcut?
Yes, sir, got it, got it.
So by mistake you were using I think numpad. Yeah?
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, no issue.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So today we will try to cover these tools. Okay. So new guys, those who have joined, we have finished with these tools. Okay. Now we are going to start this tool. Once we finish this one, we will start surfacing exercise. We will do some project related stuff. Okay. Which are in surfacing. And after that, we have to use surfacing and part modeling simultaneously. Sometime you will switch to the part modeling, you will use one or two command. Again, you will switch to surfacing, you will use another two commands from the surfacing. Again, if you want to apply fillet on part body, again you will need to switch into part body, apply the 3D command, 3D fillet, part modeling fillet. Got it? So this way we have to work. Okay. So see, starting from line. What is line? So I think we are done with join also. Yeah. What is line? See, I want one line starting from this point, but in y direction. So I want line like this, starting from this till this one. What should be the length? The length should be, let's say, 150 mm. So tell me what input we will need to draw this yellow line. Simple logic. Which input we will need? Quickly. Do we need start point offline? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Do we need one direction?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this two input we will need to draw this line. That's it. And do we need the length input? I will give input of 150 mm somewhere. Okay. So see, finish. Line. The second option is point and direction. What we discuss right now. Point is the input, this origin. Direction. What was my direction? XYZ.
Oi. Oi.
Y. This one. Okay. What was the dimension?
150 mm.
In this, instead of 20, I will put 150. Enter. Zoom out little bit. Got it? The line. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Double click on line. What is this limit up to 1 up to 2? So for now I have given dimension 115 this one. Suppose you want the same line extended, means it is extended to rearward, means hold the start arrow and pull it, something like this. You can put dimension over here but in minus. Suppose I want this, let's say 80 mm, 80, enter. So what is the total length?
230.
80 plus 150. Yeah.
Yeah,
Now tell me why it is in minus, minus 80. Why it is in minus?
that's behind Y.
Sir, the origin.
It is opposite to our selected direction.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
We have
Yes.
selected y. What is the direction of y? Downward something, right downward, something like this. That's why it is in minus. Okay, you can hold this and you can pull over here also. Now you can give it, this is 150 and you can put over here, let's say 100. Enter. Now tell me what is the dimension.
50,
Make
sir.
it
50,
make it 225. Enter. Now tell me what is the dimension.
125.
Got it? Double click 125. Now it is in plus 100 mm. Means 100 mm from the origin and 225 from the origin. Simple?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have not done point to point. Okay. We will do this, but we will need some 2 points. Okay. Let's do this one. Angle normal to curve. What does it mean? Angle normal to curve. Just imagine a line.
Which is perpendicular to any curve.
Okay. Again,
It is perpendicular to
second option. Perpendicular
Tangent.
or
angle.
Tangent.
Angle.
angle.
Angle we can give. Any angle
Angle.
we can give. Yeah.
Okay. Someone is saying the tangency. We have this fourth option for tangency. Okay. We have that option. Okay. But in third option,
Okay, sir.
what we can provide, angle or normal. What
Or
is normal?
norm.
Normal means 90 degree.
Yeah.
A line 90
But
degree to another curve.
yes, sir.
Okay. So just do one thing. Now tell me simple logic. Let's check your, I'm checking your logic. This is my curve. Is it possible to draw any line tangent to this yellow curve on this point?
No, sir. No, sir.
Is it possible to draw a line normal to this curve at this point? To yellow curve at this point, red cross. Is it possible?
I think it is possible.
How?
That is not actually. This is a free curve, right, sir?
Yeah, it is
Free
spline.
curve.
Let's say it is
Yeah.
spline.
For spline we cannot draw. We cannot draw.
Okay, other guys. See, Mallikarjun is trying to use the logic. Okay, it is very good. What we can say, skill or habit. Okay, he's trying to use his logic. Other guys, you are engineers. Simple logic. Can we use? Can we draw any line perpendicular to this curve? Yes or no? Okay, tell me. Can we draw any line tangent to this curve at this point? See, undo. Tell me. At this point, can
Tangent.
I draw a tangent line?
Tangent we can.
Yes, sir, we can.
How? Like this?
It's already in curve, no, sir. So we can tangent that line, sir.
Is this line tangent to the curve? The green line? Is green line tangent to yellow curve?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now tell me, can I draw A line normal to yellow curve. Simple logic. Can I draw a line normal to, normal means 90-degree to yellow curve at this point, the red cross? Yes or no? Quickly. Last try. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Maybe yes. That particular point we can draw.
How?
Because that point to point it is having curve, right?
Right.
Spline is having number of points.
Yes.
Between 2 points we are considering as a curve.
Yes.
That's why we can draw, I think.
See, I am drawing one line. Let's use white color. I am drawing one line normal to green line.
No, normal to green line we can, yeah.
Now tell me, is it normal to the yellow curve?
Yes, sir. Tangent, because it is tangent to that yellow curve means it is normal to that line, green line. Curve
Yeah.
also.
Simple logic.
Yes, sir.
We can draw a line normal to any curve. See,
Okay.
this will be
It may
something normal line to the curve.
it may be spline or it may be arc or it
Any,
may be circle.
anything, yeah, anything.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Got
Thank you.
it?
Thank you, sir.
Logical
Yeah.
Yes,
question.
sir.
See, we used to ask this question in interview also to check the logic, whether he can or she can imagine what is the logic, how can be the design. Simple logic.
What I thought is, yes, sir. What I thought spline is smooth curve, right?
Yeah, but as you
That's why it
mentioned,
is unable
spline
to
is a
draw.
collection of points. Yes, you
Yeah.
already mentioned it is a collection
Yes,
of
sir.
points. So at any point we can draw tangency, at any point we can draw perpendicular line. See why
Okay.
I was explaining this point. See, I will take the screenshot just for your note. See, this option. We are going to take this option. Angle normal to curve. Select this. What I will need? I will need one curve. Can I select this line as a curve? Is it a curve? Curve can be anything. Curve can be a straight line. Curve can be a spline curve, like this or like this. Agree? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So finish. For now, I'm taking curve. This time. Point. Suppose I'm taking this starting point of line as my point. Support. In which support means in which plane I want that line. New line. I want line in this plane. See. Can you see this one? This line?
That
Can you see?
start point you make it zero. Yeah.
Start point is this one. For now, let's make 0.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
See? Hold this and pull it. Hold the end, pull it. You can extend this like this. You can minimize the length. You can increase the length, hold and pull it. Press OK. Again, try again. See what I will do next point. Okay, do one thing. Now this time what I will do? I will use this then as a curve. What should the start point tell me? Shall I select this one as a
Yeah.
start point? Okay, select this one. Okay, support.
Some
Sh- Previously we have
if
selected
you
this
take,
plane. Shall I select this plane?
yes, sir.
Click on the support box. Click over here. Got it? What is the use of support? In that plane we are getting the line. Getting my point? What is the use of support?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, press OK. Can you see this line is in this plane and this line is in this plane? Yes, see, coplanar.
Yes.
And see this line and this line. Yes, coplanar.
Mm, yes, sir.
So this is a use of support. Got it? What is the start point? What is the angle? What is the curve you will need as input? Okay, let's see. Can we use this axis as our curve instead of curve? Previously, two times we have used this line as a curve. Can I use z, y, or x as a curve? Let's try. Line, angle, normal to curve. Curve is my z. Point I will use origin, or let's say this one. Again, I'm using this same point. See, I can change the support. I want one line in this plane. Now, YZ plane. See how it is making angle? This green dotted line means Z. Starting point is the end of this line. Yeah, and our supporting plane. What is our supporting plane? What is the name of our supporting plane now? What we are use? Quickly.
Y plane.
Y plane. Yes, means XZ plane. Okay. Now tell me to which plane it is parallel. This is our new line. Okay. I will change the graphics representation. The pink line, or let's make it a blue line. Tell me to which plane it is parallel.
That is parallel to ZX.
Okay, just a minute. Now tell me which line is parallel to which plane. Quickly.
Blue line parallel to ZX and white line parallel to ZY and green line parallel to YZ and
See,
XY
I'm
plane white.
okay. See, I'm moving the 3D for you. Now tell me. See, you can see in all view I'm showing.
Yes, sir.
Other guys,
G plane.
Vignesh. Other guys, Akash. I think Akash is facing some issue. Tell me, other guys. See, we should know which line is
Sir,
in
white
which plane. Yeah, let's try.
white is in
Green
XY,
is
sir.
parallel to blue.
Green is parallel to blue. No, the question is which line is parallel to which plane? Even though green is not parallel to blue. Is it parallel? Let's check is it parallel or not. How to check? Measuring tool, selection 1 mode, any geometry, selection 2 mode, any geometry. Blue, green. What is the angle between blue and green? See,
51 point.
51.134. Is it parallel?
No, sir.
No. Tell me which line is parallel to which plane? As Malik Arjun was telling.
Sir, white is parallel to XY, sir.
Okay,
Green is
awesome.
parallel to
Green is parallel to?
XZ, sir. Green XZ.
Green is parallel to XZ.
Sorry, sir. YZ.
Okay, then
XY is parallel. XZ is parallel to that blue, sir.
awesome. Clear everyone? Any doubt? Can we use axis system as a curve? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, can we use a straight line as a curve input?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can.
Okay. Now let's see. Can we use a spline as a curve? And can we draw a line perpendicular to spline? Okay. So for now, I will draw one sketch, position sketch on this plane. Tell me I want to draw sketch like this. What option should I select for VNH? Which option should I select for VNH?
Reverse H, sir.
But what reverse? H or V?
H.
V, then
Swap, sir.
swap. Okay. Okay, over here, over here. Okay. Suppose I don't want to select this line. I don't want to select. Which mode should I use in sketching?
Low light.
Low light. Awesome. See, it is visible, but I'm not able to select it. I will use
Yes.
spline. Where is spline? This one. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Undo. And 4. Escape, escape. This is my spline. You can pull this point like this, no issue. Exit workbench. See, that point will be visible only in sketch, not in 3D, okay? Once you exit the sketch, you will not able to see that point of spline. Okay, so for now, I will use one command, point command. Why? Because I want one point on this curve. So I will use point command. Which command I will use in point? On curve. Did we use coordinate? Point coordinate command? Did we use? Yes, no?
We can use to select the endpoint of the curve.
No. Till now, did we use coordinate point command? Till
Yes, sir.
now,
Initially, we go ahead with the access
yes.
system for that.
Yeah. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
While putting the access system, before that, we add one point. So we use coordinate 0, 0, 0. Now I will use point on curve. What input I will need? I will need one curve as input. On the curve, you can select anywhere, okay? And just activate the first one, distance on curve. Now what is for the distance? What is my starting point? From where it is taking the distance?
From like side, sir.
The rear one, okay? This one. So from here, it is taking, let's say I want at 300. It is a distance preview. You can click on this upper arrow. Just hold your mouse on this upper arrow, click. See, the point is moving. I want a point at this position, so make it 500. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, there are multiple options. Okay, we will discuss this later. Okay, there are distance from curve. This is the option distance from curve, distance along the direction, and the ratio on the curve length. What is the ratio on the curve length? Any logical answer? Ratio on
It
the
will
curve length.
take. It will take whole length is one. Ratio is one.
Okay.
Point end start point to end point of the arc is the ratio is one.
Yes.
If we want between start and end point, we can give less than one value.
Yeah. Yeah, but ratio of curve length. What is curve length? Here you can see the 500. It is direct length from this point to this point. Can you see the green arrow?
Yes, sir.
But
Yeah.
ratio of curve length means like this.
0.5 means it will
No.
exactly position between.
Yeah, it will exactly position in the mid of this curve. Okay, but the measurement will be something like this. along the length.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Start to end. Yeah.
Yeah, it will not like this 500 a straight distance. It will be something like this.
Yes, sir.
So it divides the total length or
Yeah.
Yeah. In ratio, see. Okay, no issue. We will cover this point later. Okay, we are focusing
yeah.
on
Okay,
line command. Okay,
okay, sir.
just we want one point for now. Yeah, just I will take the screenshot for your reference as we discuss. You will have one note. So for now, I'm taking one point over here at 500. Press OK. Clear? Point on curve. This is my input curve. Okay. I'm giving 500 from this point. Okay. So here is my point on this curve. I want one line perpendicular or tangent to this curve. Yeah. First I will draw perpendicular. Okay. See. Line. What is our curve input?
Spline.
Fine, sir.
This. Okay. Next. Point. Let's
Point.
give the point. This point. What we added. Now tell me which support should I give? Can I take this support XZ? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, by default it has taken one plane. Why? Because of this input curve. Katia knows that this curve is in Y plane. Okay. So for now support I will give this plane. Now here can you see? It is making angle of 40 degree. Now see, let's do one thing. Make it 90 degree. Let's check. Can we get one line? See, here I'm putting 90 degree preview. Let's pull this line. Now tell me the line is perpendicular to curve at this point, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I will change the color. Again, let's try the same option. Line, angle normal to curve. Curve is this one. Point is this one. Now I will change the support. Let's change the support. I'm giving this one. What is the plane name? X plane.
Yes.
See, giving some error.
Because
Why?
that curve is not having tangent to that line. Means we cannot create the angle for that
Ha,
point.
awesome. Okay. Why? Because that curve is nearly perpendicular to this plane.
Yes,
It
sir.
is not possible to draw a line in that plane, and we can't able to calculate the angle. Got it?
Yes.
Next option, tangent to curve. What is the option?
Support we have.
Curve this one. Element is this point. What should be the support to tangent line?
Same,
What
sir. ZX,
ZX.
where we drawn the
Yeah.
spline.
Getting one line. Yes or no? Press OK. Getting a tangent line on the same point. Make it yellow. Yeah. Make this brown. The same thing what we discuss. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this way you can use the line, point and direction, angle and normal to curve, tangent to curve. Now we will use point to point. It is very simple. We will need only 2 points. Point to point. Point 1, let's consider this is my first point, the end of the green line. Point 2, This is my second point. Got it? Press OK. You can double click, you can pull the dimension like this, no issue. Press OK. You can double click, you can set the dimension. Here you can see 187 or 202. It is starting from this point. It is 215 starting from this point. You can use mirror extend. What is mirror extend? Both dimension will be same. Activate this. See, extend this one till let's say 400 or 350. See, this is also 350. Mirror extend. Press OK. Simple point to point. Any doubt?
So that mirror extend will calculate in both the points or in center.
No. See, double click. It is taking dimension. See, you can give only one input for both direction.
Okay,
Okay.
so now clear. Sir.
Yeah, it will from here and it will be from here.
Yeah, okay, sir.
What is option? Mirror extend. Let's take a screenshot for you. Simple. Shall we move to normal to surface, or let's try point to point once again? Okay, again line, point to point. I want one line passing through this end of spline, and the second point is this one. Got it? Simple. You can pull it, or otherwise you can keep it 0 0. No issue. Okay. See, a line passing through both end. Again, let's do one thing. I will do just a minute. Tell me what is. Let's check your logic again. What is this? Normal to surface. Normal to surface. What input we will need for normal to surface?
We need one surface. Surface we need, sir.
Again, from where we start our line? What is the basic requirement to start one line? Sorry?
Surface we required.
Surface. And what is the basic
And
requirement?
point also we
Point.
required.
Okay. So what surface will define? What surface will define?
Support.
needed, sir.
Support or direction?
Direction, sir.
See, what is the command? What is the name of command? Normal to surface.
Normal, yeah, it is perpendicular to the surface at particular
Awesome.
point.
Yeah. So the line will be perpendicular to surface at particular point. Okay. See. So let's draw one. We will need one surface. What I will do? I will use this line. I will extrude it. Hold it. Pull it like this. Okay. Suppose let's use this origin. Okay. Is this origin lying on the surface? Yes or no? Yes or no? Is the origin lying on the surface? Is it on the surface? Yes, no? This is our origin.
No, sir.
No. Can we use that point for that command? Can we use this point to use normal to surface command? See, line.
As per my thinking, it is not possible.
Not possible. Let's try. Okay.
Okay,
Surface. This is my surface. What is our point? This origin is my point. Can you see?
Yes. Yeah.
What CATIA is doing? CATIA will project that point on the surface normally.
Okay.
And we will get one line. What is the angle between the line and the surface? 90 degree. It is normal to the surface.
Yes.
Now tell me, suppose I'm using this corner as my input for the point. What will the orientation of line?
Same perpendicular to the surface.
Will it be something like this, like
No, no.
this, like this? In which direction it will go?
It
Yellow,
will go.
blue, white.
It will go yellow and blue.
Yeah, finish.
Either yellow or either blue.
Yeah, line normal to surface. Surface is this one. Point is this corner. See, simple. Press OK.
Yes, sir.
Line. The last one, bisect. Any issue till this point? How many type of option we will get in line? Tell me. Again, this is an interview question for freshers.
6, I think.
Which one?
Point to point.
Point.
Point
Point.
to point. Okay. Then see here you can see the option. Okay. Which option we tried for the green and white and blue? See. Tell me which option we have used for the yellow line.
Angle normal to curve.
Normal to curve.
No, for yellow line. This one. For yellow
Angle or
line.
normal. Angle. Sorry.
No. Which option did we use to draw yellow line?
This is tangent.
No, it is not tangent. Just a minute. I think I erase or what? Not yellow line. Sorry. This one. Let me change the color. Sorry, my mistake. Let me change the color. Magenta. Now tell me
Mm.
this one. Which option
Sir,
did we
why?
select?
That is
Why, sir?
No. Which
Plane.
option from line we selected in line command?
that is
The point to
coordinate.
direction, I think so,
Coordinate,
sir.
sir. Coordinate.
No.
The point to direction.
Yeah. Point and direction. Along the
Yes, sir.
direction. Got it? Say double click.
Yes.
You will get point and direction.
Yes.
Now tell me which option we select for the white line.
Point to angle.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Sir, point
Angle or normal to
angle.
curve.
Yeah,
Angle
yes,
and
sir.
normal to curve.
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 Double click. See. Angle normal to curve. Okay. For brown one.
Normal to curve.
Okay. And for yellow.
Tangent to curve.
And this line.
Point.
This
Point
one.
to point.
Awesome. Simple.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Good. So I think we have the last option. Okay. In line. What is the last option? Bisecting. Who can tell me the logic? What can be the logic in bisecting?
Sir, both end of the surface, I think so.
End
It
of
will
surface.
divide. It will
Sorry.
divide
Basically,
Please
the
repeat.
line.
Please repeat.
Sir, I think it is divide the line. It will divide the line
See what is
at equal
bisecting?
distance.
What is yeah? Divide the line or what? Mallikarjun.
Intersecting point of two lines.
Okay. Then what?
It will like symmetry. It will create like symmetry
Oh,
at particular point.
what is bisecting? What is angle bisector? What is
When
angle
we are
bisector?
having two when we are having two lines at an angle, we can equally divide that angle by
Yeah,
using bisecting.
yes. See, other guys, you are not using your logic, use your brain. Yeah, line, bisecting, line 1, line 2, that's it. See, this is a midline, angle bisector of both. Okay, simple. What should be the angle? This and this. What should be the angle value?
45, 45, sir.
Not 45, 45. It should be same. X, X,
45, 45, sir.
X degree. Not
So,
45. It is not perpendicular to each other. It should be same.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
That's
Yeah.
why we are using angle bisector. Any doubt in line? Any doubt in line? Yes, no? Shall we proceed to next command?
yes, sir.
Okay. So for now, we will not use the second one, okay? The axis. We will use the last one, polyline. It is very important, okay? We will use this polyline command to make some wires, some metal wire harness. Yeah. So see, we have multiple points. Can you see? The end of the line means what is this end of line? Point. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we have, I will hide this surface. No, okay, no issue. I will keep this. See, what is polyline? Polyline means you can draw lines from multiple points. Activate the line polyline command. Okay. So see, this is my starting point. Click. Here you can see point one. Then this is my second point, the end of green line. Click to click over this or the point. Then this is my end third point. Okay. This is my fourth point. Let's check. Can we take the corner of the surface? Yes. The corner of the surface is my fourth point. Then the brown end point is my fifth point. Again, I will select the end point of yellow, 7 point, 6 point. Can you see? Press OK. See, I will change the representation. Can you see this polyline? What is polyline? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, next question is, sir, can we add a round over here? Instead of straight line like this, can we add one round like this? Some round, some round. Yes, yeah, we can add rounds. Double click, select the point, point 2. Can you see the selection point 2? Put the radius. I want, let's say 20 mm, 20 degree of fillet. Preview. The value is too small. Let's make it 100 mm. Preview. Visible?
Yes, sir.
At point 3, make it 600. Preview. Oh, 600 is not possible. Make it small. Make it 150. Preview. Okay, 150 is possible. So 150 is too big. Make it 50. Preview. Okay. So at point 4, fourth point, make it 30. Okay. Fifth point, I want again 40 mm. Fillet. Press OK. Simple? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes,
Can
sir.
I use this polyline for the sweep command?
Yes, sir.
Which command should I apply on this line?
Uh,
Yesterday we used that command.
Sir, radius.
Sweep, sweep,
S-
sweep, sweep.
Radius.
In sweep or radius.
Center and radius.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
See, sweep in circle, center and radius. Select the curve, give the radius, let's say 10 mm, enter. Got it? One pipe. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Any doubt till this point?
No, sir.
Shall we stop or shall we
No,
take
sir.
one or two command again? See, we are done with the polyline. Okay, I'm putting this command over here. I think we can finish. No, I think we'll continue this command tomorrow because these are useful command. Okay, it is not good to finish this command in 5-10 minutes. We should have
Okay,
good
sir.
we should have good discussions. Yeah. First, I will check what is your logic. Then I will tell
Yes.
you the answer. How to use it. Okay, till this one, any issue? How was the session?
Very informative, sir. We learned lot.
Yeah. So please practice. See, if you want a break, we can cancel our session for 1 and 2 days. Okay. You can take your time. You can do practice on these tools. Finish the exercise. Okay. If you're going to your office or job, you are not getting any time. We can hold a session for 1 and 2 days so that instead of doing live session, you will do live practice. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Shall we stop over here? Yes, no? Any doubt in any command?
Yes, sir. We can stop.
Okay, no issue. So we will connect tomorrow. If you want some time for practice, just drop message on our CAD-VERCITY group. Yeah?
Any additional exercises?
Yeah, we will share some additional exercise. Yeah? You will receive the PDF. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, then see you tomorrow. Bye, good night.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Bye, sir. Good
thank you,
night.
sir. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night.